Hi, this is Ranveer Singh.
And hi, I'm Alia Bhatt.
You are watching us on
Bollywood Times.
My next guests are one of the greatest creation stories of modern Hindi cinema. He, the manly male, the masculine guy, the potent chap, the hairy-chested lad, the real bloke, and the rebellious buntai. She, well, let me ask you, Ranveer Singh.
She's the one.
Amongst her generation, isn't she the most desirable Indian actress?
Well, I definitely can say without a doubt she's the most talented. She is definitely someone who has achieved a lot in a very short span of time at a young age and with a nascent filmography, I'd say. The kind of performances that she's put in are really extraordinary, one of which I saw just last night. So I'm a bit blown by Alia Bhatt right now, so it's like,
We all are.
yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen.
And you haven't even seen Gully Boy, imagine that.
Yeah, I have to. But ladies and gentlemen, today the street knowledge from Ranveer Singh and Alia Bhatt. Welcome.
She makes me want to sing. She's so good.
Start.
गाने संगीत निकल आता है मेरे अंदर से 1 2 3 4 तो बोलो यार
1 2 3
ऐसे थोड़ी डरा मत रेडी रेडी
4, 3, 2, 1.
वो
Fab Tutu.
Wow.
You sang that song?
You have inspired me. मैं बोल रहा हूँ तेरा परफॉर्मेंस देख के मेरे दिल से संगीत निकल रहा है.
ये संगीत की बात
जो मैं पहले नहीं कर पाता था वो मैं कर पा रहा हूँ. जैसे आप टीवी वो चैनल्स पे देखते हैं ना कि मिरेकल्स हो जाते हैं. मिरेकल्स. आप ऐसे कुछ हो जाता है और फिर मतलब मिरेकल्स हो जाते हैं. वो हाथ सर पे रखते हैं. रखो अपना सर मेरे हाथ पे और मेरी लाइफ में भी मिरेकल होना चाहिए.
Okay,
she's actually a miracle.
You spoke about singing sensation. Firstly, congratulations to the entire team of Gully Boy, including you too, because you've just broken the Hum Aapke Hai Kaun record of 14 songs, 18 in total with 55 independent artists.
I thought you had a legit stat, but I'll take that too.
Yeah?
Yeah, but
मुबारकबाद दो नए रैपर को. नया रैपर पैदा हुआ है, हाथ मिलाओ. और I've noticed that I've learned rather that ये जो रैपिंग है और गायकी है अलग-अलग कला है. I found out very recently when I had a first-hand experience of Alia singing that she is a beautiful singer. And if there's one thing I miss on this very wholesome music album is a song sung by Alia Bhatt.
oh,
Your character could have sung it for my character. उसमें क्या है बोलने का ना थोड़ा प्रोड्यूसर डायरेक्टर को गाना तो मांगता है ना.
but that I
सुपरस्टार का गाना तो एक तो मांगता है ना बा.
नहीं, पर जो मैडम को वो ऑथेंटिसिटी चाहिए.
हाँ चल, I'll go with that.
Yeah.
I'll take it.
Okay, but you know what?
तू गाना वो आलाप एक बार आप लो ना.
कौन सा?
वही. Death.
कॉफी का टेस्ट भी
Then I'm like a
अच्छी
bit.
हुई होगी.
मैं थोड़ा प्रभावित हुआ कल जो अभिनय देखा है.
प्रभावित हुए हैं.
नहीं कल रात मैंने फिल्म
अच्छा.
देखी. मैं हम this is our first interview for the day.
Post
and
the
late
film.
Post the film. So you can see our vibes are very like
Sparkly and
Yeah.
late last night we were watching the film and Jai Jhulelal.
But you know, correct me if I'm wrong. Honest music, which is called rap, that rebelled against the unjust
Ji.
society.
Ji.
It all started from there,
Ji.
right? You think Gully Boy will be the voice for the suppressed generation also?
absolutely.
Yeah, I think you're very right about that. In my interpretation, what was happening in New York, Bronx, Harlem, in 1988, 89, youngsters who were seeing a very hard life around them were wanting to vent their feelings, their thoughts, and express themselves. And they expressed themselves in their writing, written verse essentially, that had embedded in it rhymes, poetry. And then they spoke that poetry over a beat, and that became rap music. And you see more or less the same thing happening here. There is a section of disenfranchised youth who are feeling certain things about the life that they see around them, and they want to express what they feel about it. And it's every man's music. Like football's every man's sport. All you need is a ball. So all you need is a beat. So you know, you go to the internet, you find a beat, you write, you say your thoughts and express yourself and feelings on that beat, and that's the music is created. So if you see all the kids connected with the scene, nobody's a very maybe only just one or two of them, maybe just one of them have actual, properly produced and scale and stuff. It's all underground. It's all independent music right now, and that makes it all the more authentic, I feel.
Interesting. Alia,
Yeah.
in the recent interview, Zoya Akhtar mentioned that she finds men very fragile.
Correct.
And that's the reason she's portrayed, men in a very different forms.
Yeah.
Question to you is, how fragile is Ranveer Singh?
I would not say, I don't know about fragile, because I think he has a very strong connect with himself, according to me. But I definitely feel he's very, very sensitive. And since we've seen the film, I can tell you that this is a side of him that I've never seen as an audience also on screen before. Just his eyes, the way he is standing, just the way he stands is so sensitive, and you just want to protect him. So he may not be fragile.
Oof.
That fragile may not be the right word for me to. I mean, the way I look
Describe
at him.
him, yeah.
But definitely vulnerable, soft, and I think there's nothing better in a man than van. There's nothing better to look at in a man than vulnerability and softness.
I'm a van. And I've got vanity.
तू Swarovski है, bro.
Hard.
Super fragile है.
मेरा वर्ड प्ले नहीं अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हो सर आप. मैंने बोला मैं वैन.
Yes, सुना मैंने.
इमेज में वैनिटी है.
सुना मैंने.
मैं इतना फ्रेजाइल हूँ.
वो direct tweet होगा.
मैं तो नाजुक कली हूँ. मैं तो नरम पाव हूँ.
Okay.
मुझे खा जाओ.
मैं तो खा लूँगी.
When was the last time, Alia Bhatt, you lost your temper and almost reached the liver?
I have a very short temper.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Yeah.
What I've seen last night. Oh my God. You have to see that kind of rage. You have to
Yeah.
have somewhere inside you to bring
I
it
have
out on
rage.
screen.
I have rage.
Alia's got rage,
I
man.
have got rage.
She can rage.
And I have issues, rage issues. Like I can lose it like this, but I will. It'll never go beyond a certain level. So it'll just be like that into myself, and then it'll just go inside. So I'll never really reach for the liver. Although I'll feel like destroying it, but I will not, because I'm a non-violent person, and one should not reach for one's liver.
Happy vibes.
Happy
Happy
vibes.
bunny.
And before the
We're
rage-
Care Bears.
Yeah, the rage is like. It's more like a short temper, yeah. I'm a very impatient, anxious sort of person, so I lose it quite quickly.
But I prefer people who, rather, I think it's healthier to explode
Express it,
rather than
exactly.
implode.
Yeah.
Because there it's just like,
And I also do it with the right people, who I know will understand it and love me enough.
love you regardless.
No, people can
People
be like,
love
what a diva and all those things. And I make sure I don't do it
Yeah,
with the people
because
who...
now things like when you're in this position of being a
Exactly.
celebrity, you're very, and I found out the hard way recently also, you're very susceptible to this, when something happens and it happens in the moment. And in that moment, it's not wrong necessarily. But when if somebody, like, okay, let's say there are three people, I'm one of them, and I shout, I'm A, and I shout at B. And in the moment, it's okay. It's yeah. But if C goes and tells somebody, if C goes and tells D, D is gonna think that this was a real thing. It was
Yeah.
actually like it all gets built up when
Like
it
a
gets
jungle fire, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So and C will probably tell D if A is a celebrity. So in that sense, celebrities are particularly susceptible to being judged. And having stuff that happens with them being blown out of proportion.
I always wanted to ask Zoya, but of course I haven't met her yet, so it's the right opportunity to ask both of you, is why this film couldn't have been a true story of Divine and Nizi?
That's the story. I mean, question actually, you have to ask only
तो आप डॉक्यूमेंटरी
Yeah,
बना के घर पे देखो.
It's also nice when you have a little bit of fiction and little inspiration, and in a sense it is inspired by these two boys, and you're giving a story which is kind of like not pressured by following just one person's journey. Divine and Nizi both probably have such inspiring moments in their life. And Zoe has mentioned this, she's also interacted with a lot of other artists and a lot of other rappers. She might have picked up moments from them.
Okay,
So
yeah. Loosely inspired though.
No, because I'll tell you what, this is, it's the journey of a boy, it's a love story, and the theme, the background is rap and hip hop.
Okay.
So it's an original story written, it's about a boy, and therefore it can't really be about one person's
I got
journey
it.
that it would become a
Yeah,
documentary.
exactly.
Too many good people to kind
Yeah,
of, you know.
and it's really just a journey. That's what also, because now one has seen the film, we can really tell you that it's genuinely a journey, and that is inclusive of all the other. And we are just two faces. Of course, it's his journey, but there are so many other characters and artists a part of this film that really make this journey so special, according to me.
Oof,
Wow.
golden.
My favorite
Yeah.
song is Duri, especially the
Oh, wow.
poem.
Yeah.
The Duri poem and how it leads to the song is mind blowing.
And then you love it in the film.
Yeah.
And
Because
I'm
that
sure.
moment, that
I'm
part
sure.
in the film for you to will
It's good.
fly. If you actually, like I've said in interviews also, the music is, the album is one thing when you hear it as a music album.
Correct.
When you see it in the film, it will take on a whole new meaning.
wow,
Yeah.
wow.
And now, if there's a song you actually like audio-wise on the album, like to listen to, then in the film, when it gets wetted with meaning, it'll be all the more
Next level.
impactful.
Yeah.
And you know what's more emotional for me when I saw that song on YouTube was you're breaking the fourth wall, my friend.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
it's directly in the camera, so you can't take your eyes off. I mean, it's right there.
Yeah, I asked for that shot actually.
You did?
Yeah,
Wow.
because on the day Alia was there, whenever she's present, I just do better acting. It's true. It's actually true. I think I'm very proud to say that our first collaboration has turned out to be quite special.
Wow.
Before this in interviews, whenever I'd say it, I'd of course be commenting on the work experience, being on set and stuff like that. Now I've seen the film, so I've felt something, so I can say it, talking about the actual on-screen chemistry, which is quite special. There's full feels. Where was I?
You're talking about Alia Bhatt and you
I
were
was
talking
talking I was talking about Duri. So she was present that day, and I was really feeling it. I was like, and we were improvising with the shots because this is a very tiny space. So I said, I'm gonna just do one pass of the song into, especially that last verse. I really feel because it's about the mother, and I really feel those words. I feel them at a very personal level. So yeah, that's how that came about.
The first time I mean, of course, I don't know if it was.
You can sense it's improvised because it goes in and out of focus also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I couldn't, but that's what great acting is, right? And the first time I don't know, introduced, I would say is the right word, but correct me if I'm wrong, Ranveer. I heard Javed Jafri singing the Mumbai song.
Yeah, brother.
Okay.
One
and
of the
I thought-
pioneers.
I thought, was that a rap? And then, of course, came Baba.
Khanega,
Sehgal.
pinega, nachega, jinega.
Yeah.
No, Baba came first.
And
Baba came first.
Baba came
Yeah,
first,
Baba
right?
came first.
Dil Dhadke.
Yeah.
Um,
Dil Dhadke
I would love to see
Dil
a rap.
Dhadke was pop.
It was pop.
Yeah. His first rap would be what? Manjula? I don't know.
Yeah, that was. But I would love to see
Khanega,
a face
pinega,
off.
nachega,
Rap
jinega,
battle face off.
nanega,
Between
dunega,
you and
hatega,
Javed Jafri.
bunega. Boom ne marnega, bhai se puchega, kaisa hai, bhara hai, I am Mumbai. Not born.
But I would
You know, we're talking about Bombay Boys, and let me tell you,
Play it now. Let's
the
play
way
that
Zoya,
song. Let's play that song.
the way
Tribute to Javed Akhtar. मेरा बाजा लेके आना. I'm dying to hear it now. I want to check. I can't find the first line in my head. नहीं क्यों? कट क्यों लेना है? वो आ जाएगा. आप चालू रखो. वो खाली बाजा मंगा दो.
I wanted to ask a very.
I'm pretty sure if I get a cue, I'm pretty sure that I still have that song in my head.
Oh, wow.
I don't know. How can I?
And he plays these different characters in the end.
Yeah.
And
Hey,
the
Bas-
writer, you know who the writer is of that song? Kiran Kotriyal, who writes our TV shows and all. When you go to Big Boss.
Oh!
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. He saw the Gully Boy trailer and messaged me. He said,
Oh,
"Do you know this
that's
little piece of trivia? I wrote Mumbai." I was like, "Really?
Awesome.
Hey, Bhaat Gital." You remember that portion? This is a very
Oh.
special song. Lose in school. It
Baja
used to
song.
be a banger.
That was a song.
One of the first Hindi hip hop songs that I actually listened to. Legit.
I got rusticated from the college.
For what? For saying Khatam nahi hua chutiye?
Really?
Yeah, there's a line that
know,
says
yeah.
Khatam nahi
Because
hua beep,
I was playing the song.
which
on
is
the-
actually not beeped, huh?
yeah, in the original.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mumbai. My name is Bhai. Mumbai. See, Javed Jafri is really a next level talent. The way he can dance, the way he can act.
Oh, he's a brilliant
He's also a
dancer.
rapper. He plays these different characters.
so
He's been a
funny.
VJ. He's so multifaceted. Mumbai Javed Jafri song. Let's do it. This was in Kaizad Gustad's film,
Bombay Boys.
Bombay Boys, which was incidentally, I believe, Katrina Kaif's
Katrina.
first Hindi movie.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Bachchan Saab was there.
That was Boom.
No, that was Boom. Sorry. Bombay was Nasruddin Shah. Tara Deshpande.
Why do
Hard
I feel like I've heard this song before?
Have you heard this song before?
Feeling familiar.
3-4 minutes.
Mumbai, ekdam danger place where you survive if you got the base. You gotta be shana, you gotta be dazed, you gotta be shona to win the race. Chota mata where you survive if you got the base. You gotta be fast, you gotta be dazed, you gotta be shana to win the race. Chota mota matter bane police case, bada bada lafada cool without trace. Say घबराने का नहीं, give it in the face. हाँ क्या बोलता है हाँ जैसा देश वैसा भी. देखे बहती गंगा, पानी से निकले नंगा. देख लेना पंगा नहीं तो हो जाएगा चंगा. सब्जी जिला बाला चंगा समा भीख मंगा. Cannot judge anybody, सारे बोल लफंगा. भाईगिरी को छोड़ सब बकवास. भाई का आकर जोड़ेगा बिंदास. भाई को देगा त्रास, होएगा तू खलास. भाई का ब्लड जस्ट लाइक टमाटो सॉस. अरे बाप रे. भाई से पूछेगा कसका है बड़ा है. I am Mumbai.
You remember the whole thing?
Let's see if I get the second one. गियर बार बार लगातार नोट छापने के लिए सब है कारोबार. भाई का अड्डा पर दिखता है जो एक बार उधर ही चला जाता है छोड़ के अपना बर्गर. हिंदुस्तानी इलेक्शन, टेलीफोन कनेक्शन, घर का सेपरेशन, इलीगल इरेक्शन, पैसा नु कलेक्शन, पेपर नु करेक्शन, एवरीथिंग परफेक्शन जब ले ले भाई इलेक्शन. 20 साल का लॉ एंड ऑर्डर से तो पांडु भाई का हाथ है लंबा. नेता अभिनेता या कोई बिल्डर, भाई को देकर सुपारी करवाता है मर्डर. हाथ में उसका पावर है सब उसका आगे झुकता. उसका खोपड़ी सनक गया तो पूरा मुंबई रुक जा.
Oh my god.
एक खत्म नहीं हुआ.
This is from here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Epic, bro. Devansh, put it there, man.
No.
You know all the lyrics
So you got
here.
rusticated because of this last line.
No, I went topless.
What?
Oh,
What did you do?
well, that's another story. only.
Both are no, but then they didn't like this song also. I was like, dude, ये rap है rap. I think so. Wasn't it rap? It was, right?
Legit Hindi.
Legit
rap.
Hindi rap.
Yeah.
Okay,
मैं
great.
topless बोले तो.
नहीं, वो बात की बात है. Anyway, you know what? Great
Damn
performance.
excited.
Great performance, and yeah, I have a surprise.
क्या याद दिला दी यार इस
You
पूरे
always
campaign
have a
में.
surprise.
Can I?
Yes, you must. I love surprises. Pleasant ones, especially.
Yeah. When they're not pleasant, it's a bit
Sometimes I
scary.
get
Startled.
hard surprises,
Yeah.
rude
Sometimes it's
surprises.
startling surprises.
Oh
Why
yeah.
to walk like that?
Oh yeah. Look at those tote bags. I love it.
Paparazzi. ये क्या है?
अरे खोलो यार.
One by one?
हाँ, one by one. Yo!
Oh wow, that's so
You
cute.
know, I still have the one you gave
Yeah,
me
the-
of
This
Bubble
is
tea.
so
Yeah.
cute.
It's hung up in my room.
This is so
Oh,
sweet.
rules.
This is
Tapina.
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 She's a cutie.
A book.
Wow, yeah.
This is supposed to be an epic book. I haven't read it.
ये मैं बोरो भी कर लूँगा आपसे. हालांकि मैं पढ़ता नहीं हूँ लेकिन ये शायद पढ़ भी लूँ मैं.
Oh, it's
That's
okay.
beautiful,
That's
Devansh.
amazing.
These are
Thank you
amazing
so
gifts.
much.
You're welcome.
I may say
One more
so
book.
on Alia's behalf.
That
Oh, the
Zik
Bible.
कौन है?
100 contemporary fashion designers.
Oh,
Fab.
nice. Coffee
fashion
table पे.
Bible.
Yeah. Coffee table पे रखो.
हाँ.
ये आपका खूबसूरत एक वैन बनाया मैडम ने हाल ही में. 5-star वैन.
जी.
उसमें कॉफी टेबल है. ये रख सकते हैं
I
आप.
love it.
It's like that time pass book ना. You can pick
That's
up any
so
time.
sweet, Devansh. Thank you so much.
welcome.
We love doing your show. We love it.
thank you.
अब
अभी आपकी बारी सर.
This
पहले
you have
तो
to
ये
keep it out.
tote
This you have to keep it
देखो.
out.
Okay, this
Wait,
ये
let-
बैग
let
ही
him take it out.
अपने आप में खास है.
Mumbai.
देखो.
Hey.
रैप इन मुंबई. अब देखते हैं यहाँ क्या है.
ओहो.
हार्ड लड़का.
Hard.
Hard लड़का.
Makes me
Prasad Bhatt, yeah.
So cute.
From,
Prasad,
Thank
thank
you,
you so
Prasad.
much.
Thank you very, very much.
Amazingly talented and thank you so much for this.
This really makes us very
So
happy.
cute. You should
This
take one
is-
photo like this.
Yeah. Please.
So nice यार.
Love it.
Thank you.
ये मैं यहाँ रख
हाँ
देता
यार.
हूँ. और यार आप किताबें दे रहे हैं मुझे. मैंने तो
अरे पढ़ो.
मैं नॉडी से आगे कभी गया ही नहीं लाइफ में.
There's also coffee.
Oh boss.
Wow.
बाप है वो, बाप है.
Hard one.
Oh.
Superb.
Steve Shapiro ne Godfather, the family album. Oof, what a film. One of the greatest films of all time and most certainly one of my favorites. One that I've watched maybe 25 times in my life. That one can really obsess over because it's a textbook. It's a cinematic textbook.
It's in the whole
Yeah,
series.
It's in photographs.
Yeah, it's got a picture that you won't
और
find on
इस
Google.
आदमी को देखो इस आदमी
Wow.
को देखो इस शख्स को
Where did you get
one of the
this?
most inspiring performances Al Pacino in The Godfather 2 thank you brother
Welcome.
this will go in my home on the coffee
Sure.
table your bhabhi will appreciate thank you because
Hard.
on the coffee table na, she's got like greatest covers of all time, all like women oriented magazines, and she's got like Audrey Hepburn and all. So recently I took a Tarantino book and I put it there. I said मुझे भी लगेगी मतलब मैं भी हूँ यहाँ पे
Yeah, correct, well said.
Oh,
The
बहुत
bar.
hard,
Very hard.
बहुत hard.
Superb, yeah.
Perhaps I was addicted to the dark side.
Yes, you
Oh,
So
thanks,
well
bhai.
thought, yeah.
Thanks, bhai.
Thank
तू
you
कैसा
so
है?
much.
तू कैसा है रे? तू कैसा है रे?
Thank you.
Hey!
Wow, brother.
Shakur.
Oof, yeah. देखो, this is unbelievable. This is outrageous, outstanding.
I love this.
In his handwriting, look, rare pictures
Yeah,
with
yeah.
Tupac's handwriting.
Yes.
Wow.
Too good, ना? कहाँ से ढूंढ के निकाल के लेके
बात
आता है
है
ये
भाई।
बंदा?
You're welcome.
Every time.
भाई, oh, buddy,
Pleasantly surprised.
thug life.
Thug life. I was
Thug
gonna
life. Look at what he says. I was scared, but so was America.
America.
Nice.
Oh, just want to tattoo thug life.
Back to Zoya Akhtar.
Look at this imagery. We can come back to Zoya Akhtar, but look at this imagery.
Yeah.
It's art. It's
He's been
art.
killing it with the Insta.
He would have had
You know,
Ha-
yeah, you would have been like,
127 million.
Yeah.
The OG.
I don't think
OG, yeah,
Tupac
you're
would
right,
be
well
on
said.
Insta. The OG.
The OG of hip hop.
G. मैं ये रख दूँ वापस?
हाँ, please.
यार आपको पता है मैं
I love this purse also.
Yeah, that's for the keeps as well.
I listened to Tupac
Ever since
I started listening to
since
Tupac.
the plastic is gone, I think these are good.
Yeah, they're really good.
Ever since I started listening to Tupac, I listen to his music maybe every day of my life at least once for the past maybe 22 years.
Oh.
Yeah.
But you know, when there is a film that comes called Rock On, it changed. I mean, I saw it in 2008 while I was in London, and I reviewed the film on BBC Asian Network, and there were 5 people watching the film, okay, in Leicester Square, London, and I went there with no preconceived notion, like, okay, all these are newcomers. The only guy I know is Arjun Rampal. Okay, interesting, and shaken, bro, not stirred.
Wow.
Shaken, not
Nice.
stirred हो गया.
Nice,
दिमाग
nice.
हिला डाला. And I was like, who are these guys, man? I mean, what a concept. This is exactly what's going to happen when people watch Gully Boy. Because the genre has never been
It's never
ever
been-
explored.
That is definitely, that has value. You're right.
It is. There is no reference point for it.
There is no.
Yeah.
But as I mentioned earlier on, that people are going to take back something, right? Because nowadays, it's so outspoken. There's Twitter, there's Facebook,
Yes.
everyone's speaking their heart and mind out, including the Me Too and various other issues, racism and other things. But rap was that. It was a controversial art form. So how controversial will this be?
Controversial?
In terms of
It's a very
rapping.
sweet story.
And I
know,
know
sir.
the thing is, the things that they're speaking about are very hard truths. Yeah, they're truths. Now, it's honestly, everyone will have their own takeaway. I feel from the film, and that's the beauty of also looking at a life journey, right? Like you'll have your own perspective and your own takeaway, and that's exactly what you'll feel when you watch Gully Boy.
Interesting. Zoya Akhtar's worked with more
Oh,
men.
it's a very personal
It's a very
film.
personal film.
It has, of course, embedded in it layers, and there is very subtle, not underlined, between the lines, social commentary. But that is for each one's interpretation.
Exactly.
Okay.
It's a personal.
If you are a person from the streets who's watching this film, your experience will be different.
Yeah.
If you're not, your experience will be different. And that's really the beauty of there is a complexity in the world, and that's it's. I mean, who does it better than Zoya Akhtar? You know, she really has meaty characters, and she really doesn't let go of the authenticity at any level. So the world that she's created, you can almost smell it.
There's a great discussion
That's
that
so
happens with media people, okay, when we meet. And it's like, is Zoya Akhtar and Reema Kagti better writers or directors? There's always this friction.
According to me, writers. Zoya is brilliant with, the way it's an audiovisual medium, and she's extremely crafty. And she's brilliant with actors. But if you put a gun to my head and say, would you have Zoya direct or write? I'd say she should write. She's really very, very special. वो कैसे मतलब I ask myself, ये कैसे यार, ये कैसे लिख देते हो, सोचते कैसे, लिखते कैसे?
So lucky are you two to get great scripts coming. बस अब BAFTA दूर नहीं है बॉस. Oscar दूर नहीं है. BAFTA तक जाते हैं पहले. BAFTA. Okay. Shall we rap now? Let's do some.
Should we rap?
We should.
Like wrap up or?
You should, because you.
एक मिनट, ये कौन सा चलाया आपने?
यार तूने जो दिया है ना मेरे को, बुक में इंस्पायर हो गया. Come on, I see no changes.
You know this?
I wake up in the morning and I ask myself, is life worth living? Shall I blast myself? I'm tired of being born, even worse, I'm black, my stomach hurts, so I'm looking for a purse to snatch. Cops give a damn about a Negro, full of hero, selling crack to the kids, who the hell cares? One less hungry mouth on the welfare. Worship, don't let them deal with brothers. Do some of these. Cause I'ma fight back, that's what Huey said. 2 shots in the dark, now Huey's dead. I got love for my brothers, but we can never go nowhere unless we share with each other. We gotta stop making changes. 2 distant strangers, and that's how it's supposed to be. I couldn't never take a brother that was close to me. I let it go back to when we played as kids and things change. That's the way it is.
Now merge it with Apna Time Aayega.
Let's see.
You're trying, huh?
उठ जा अपनी राख से, तू उठ जा अब तलाश में परवाने की आत्मा भी सर उठाएगा. आएगा अपना टाइम आएगा, मेरे जैसा शाना लाला तुझे ना मिल पाएगा. ये शब्दों का ज्वाला मेरी बेड़ियां पिघलाएगा. जितना तूने बोया है तू उतना ही तो खाएगा. ऐसा है तो ख्वाब भी तो मेरे
Very nice tutu you managed.
Wow.
It was really cool.
अपना टाइम आएगा.
Okay, we have 1 minute left,
So.
and I'm gonna play dumb charades with you.
Okay.
Ready? Chalo.
Yeah.
Let us go for it.
This I don't like this hair yet.
I can't see.
I can't see you.
Okay, act.
Oh, sorry.
Have to guess.
Sorry.
Oh, okay.
Dumb charades with Ranveer Singh and Alia Bhatt. Okay?
No.
Oh, sorry, you're guessing. You
I'm
didn't
not
know
guess.
it.
No,
Okay,
no.
फिर से मैं करता हूँ.
Oh,
फिर से.
बोलना. Hindi film, English film, Hindi film. Silent. Khamosh. Khamoshi.
क्या बात? Are we
Okay,
on the
the
same
music
team? Are we competing?
Okay, you hold it. No. देख लिया इसने. ठीक है, I'll. हाँ, देख लिया. अभी now
Oh,
we okay, you
okay.
can act.
हाँ, you all both act for me.
Character है.
क्या फिजिकल आँख मारे नहीं डांसिंग
Okay, yeah.
पेंटर आर्टिस्ट पेंटर का हिंदी में शब्द क्या है? पेंटर को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं यार? पिकासो. खाना निवाला. होली.
हाँ.
रंग.
हाँ.
रंग बरसे.
No.
रंगून.
No, more.
रंगीला.
Yeah.
Lose यार.
बरसे.
Love it. Oh.
Okay.
Oh wait.
ये तो मुश्किल है भाई.
English film. हाँ. 3 शब्द 5 शब्द. 5 शब्द वाली English film. Okay. Money. Second word. What? Money. इसमें हिंदी में अपना सपना money.
What am I doing this?
Rich. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Rich is the second word. Okay, rich. Crazy rich Asian. No. Okay. Rich. Huh. Okay, fourth word. Dead. Murder. Kill. Dead. No. So last को क्या बोलते हैं? Okay. shoot. Gun with a knife. Holy Christ.
Pass, yeah, okay. It's
Okay,
very
pass. Go
slowly.
for it.
Get rich
Or die trying.
or die trying.
Oh.
अरे 50 भाई का जो था अब मेरा
No, your
टर्न
turn.
Now me and you will act.
legit I didn't see it huh?
ठीक है. Oh, class.
Oh,
3 words English
Hindi.
Hindi okay
stuff.
I
Okay.
like. मुझे क्या पता था कि मैं रैप करेगा
नहीं. Okay.
मुझे I don't know नहीं पता दिल प्यार
नहीं,
मोहब्बत
एक second.
इश्क
Okay, wait,
येड़ी आलिया रैपर रैप कला मैं रैपर कलाकार
Okay,
संगीतकार
Okay.
रैप म्यूजिक
नहीं, बहुत
गीत
tough है ये.
गीत
no wait.
रुक लवर्स
Last.
अरे यार.
रुक गली बॉय
नहीं आएगा.
लड़का गली बॉय पढ़ते हैं एग्जाम शब्द लिरिक्स लेखक ओह हाँ ठीक है कौन किसने लिखा है जावेद साहब ने लिखा है जोया ने लिखा है जोया लक बाय चांस
Yeah. Oh,
जोया 3 words luck by chance
well played.
Lulz, we got it. I feel like at 59 seconds I just got it. We
Yeah,
did it
well
under a minute.
It took a while, but it
Took
was
a while. Well
fine.
played.
Luck by chance. How would I do luck
How
by
would you do
chance?
luck is in a dub genre?
Very hard, huh?
Yeah, like.
बहुत hard. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you,
My
sir.
very dear
क्या
friends.
दिल खुश
Thank you, Devansh. You are very
दिल
dear
for,
and
दिल खुश
coming
कर
on
दिया.
the Bollywood Times.
very generous. And
Yeah,
Thank
you make us feel very special every time we come on your show.
lovely gifts,
Thank you so
insightful chat, fun also.
Yeah.
Mumbai changes,
Oh yeah.
Godfather, Tupac, Portrait.
Safina, Murad.
Murad and Safina.
Books, great books that I will be carrying to Berlin. Thank you.
Yeah, Berlin.
Yeah.
All the best.
Thank you.
You're gonna kill it.
Backlin.